I'm Cody Anderson, and this is my wife Amy. We're the pastors of Faith Center Fellowship in Mino, Oklahoma, and we've just hosted a family ID right here in our church, and it's been absolutely incredible. It has surpassed our expectations. The challenges for families to sit down and to write out specifically what God has called their family to do and the purposes and the plans that He's put within them. There's a lot of times that we think about doing certain things, but putting the question of why are we doing those things, why do we want to do those things on paper, and then creating a vision and a mission statement and an ID is critical to us, and it helps us build our family. It helps us cause our family to do things that we never thought would even be possible. Our kids to dream big. And so our expectations were fully met. It is an absolute must for every family to go through Family ID.